Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my Christmas clean and decorate. Today we will be dealing with the kitchen. I'll just be adding some simple decor to the kitchen, nothing too serious. I'll be using the items that are in the back of me right here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first we're going to get everything wiped down. I definitely don't want to start putting things out on the countertops on a dirty surface. It's not crazy dirty or anything like that, but I just wanted to give it a quick little wipe down and tidy up. So that's what I'm going to be doing here first, and then we will get into adding a few pieces of decor. Nothing crazy. I don't want the place to look decluttered, but I'm just going to add a few pieces of Christmas to the kitchen just to make it a little festive. And if you're new, my name is Natasha. I am a full-time working mom of 4, and on my channel I bring you guys things on lifestyle, motherhood, and home, which include cleaning motivation, organization, day in life type videos, home improvements, anything with being a wife and mom you'll definitely find here. So if that's something you think you'd be interested in, I definitely love for you guys to stick around and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and become part of my style family. And to all my longtime followers, hey guys, love you guys, and you guys know that I appreciate you guys always being here. Now I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and enjoy some of this music.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Santa is coming. I know, I know. Santa is coming. Oh, Claus is coming. Santa is coming. I know, I know. Santa is coming. Oh.
So originally I had the candle over here in this corner, but I'm not really too keen on how it looks, so I think I'm going to open this up. I got this from Target Dollar Spot. It was $5, and I'm going to add it there for the kids, and they can count down the days to Christmas. I may change that little area over there around. I'm not sure. Usually sometimes I'm not happy with how that little space looks. It's just like a little weird area, but we're going to add this piece right here over there, like I said, instead of the candle. And it has a little thing in the back here, and I'll just put it on here, and they can start it off when it's time and put it on day one. I don't know if I'm liking that.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing comes